Hey guys, so I didn't really do a project video today, but I'm just going to do a quick review on a product that I purchased, and I did do a little work to get it mounted. About a month ago or so, I saw that Bob Claggett from I Like to Make Stuff used an LED panel, and he built a housing around it so he could mount it on a ceiling. The panel that he used and the panel that I used, they're sold for like drop ceiling applications to drop into the tracks of a drop ceiling. And I don't have drop ceiling, I've got finished ceilings, drywall ceilings in my basement. So I used the same technique that he did, and I built a little frame around this light so I can mount it to the ceiling. So I'll turn around here. This is just 1x3 stock. Now I do have some old sagging drywall on the ceiling, so I do have some gaps and stuff. But it's basically just a 1x3 frame. I mitered the corners, and then there's a dado cut on the inside of the frame for the light to slide into. A couple strips of wood mounted on the top, or mounted to the ceiling, that then this whole box mounts to. So I'll post a link to Bob's video down in the description. I'll also post a link to this light. I really like it, puts out a ton of light. My only complaint, and it's just because I wasn't prepared for it, but it's not an instant on. Most times that's not a deal breaker for anybody, but I just want anybody that may consider this light to be aware of it, because in this room I've got this one other light that I need to change the color of, but it's a CFL, and I'll show you the delay. So I'll turn this light off here, and then watch this light come on, and then you can see the delay between this and this LED panel. So it's not huge, but if you're going to integrate this LED panel into a room that has existing lights and you're not going to change all of them, just be aware that it's going to be a bit delayed. So that's all I got. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and we'll catch you next time.